Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will show you 2 super quick and simple ways to make these cool hearts from paper. To make them, I'll be using colored office paper. You can use colored school paper or paint something with pencils or watercolors in plain white shades. For the first version, take some round object and circle it on paper. Cut out the circle. Fold it in half. And once again in half, marking the lines we need. Now let's fold this sheet into a concertina. For this, we need to find the correct step. Lift the bottom edge towards the center line. And again, the bottom edge to the center. And once again. That will be the width of the step of our concertina. Now let's make the bends in the correct directions. One way and the opposite. One and the opposite. The most basic concertina. Keep folding the other half of the circle in exactly the same way. And you should get a piece like this. Here in the middle we have a bend that we've marked before. Now fold the piece in half, keeping that bend in the middle, and we get a wonderful heart like this. Apply some glue to one half of the top fold. You can also use double tape or a glue stick. Fold, press, and the heart is ready. Very cool, isn't it? For the second version, also very simple, take a rectangular sheet of paper. Fold it in half, and again in half. Now we need to make this side round. Mark the line with a pencil and cut along. There are no strict requirements here, so just feel free on this one. Unfold the piece, and now again we need to mark the step of the concertina. Bottom part to the center line, again to the center. Now unfold it and fold the edge towards the nearest line. So this will be our step. Guided by it, now fold the entire piece into a concertina. Now, the same as in the previous version, fold the piece in half. And get a heart. Now we just need to apply some glue onto the half of the top fold and fix the halves together. Just like that, so cool and so simple. Check out the playlist with my other masterclasses for the Valentine's Day. Subscribe to my channel and see you in my new videos.